If you're looking to get more cargo space in the back of your Polaris 4-seat General, well, stick around because the Tusk Seat Cargo Rack Kit is the best way to do it. All right, everyone, thanks for checking in. Today we want to share with you one of the best ways to get more storage capacity in the back of your Polaris 4-seat General, and that is by using the Tusk Seat Cargo Rack Kit. What these do is convert the back of your machine, if you're not using your back seats, into storage space. And the way it works is really slick. You've got your seat base, which is powder coated aluminum. It's got a nice black finish to it, multiple cutouts for tie down and anchor points. So if you're putting a small cooler in here, your camping gear, your chairs, you've got plenty of space. But what I love about these is how easily these install. And the way they work is pretty slick. When you pick these up, they actually install right to an OEM seat base. And there's a couple options that you have there. When you buy these, you can get the racks just by themselves. You take out your rear seat, you would detach your OEM seat base and then install it on the cargo rack. Or we sell these as a kit, so you can buy the cargo rack and OEM seat bases. You install those, and then once you have those attached, to install these, all you do is just pop out your seat and then install this the exact same way that you put your seat back in. It honestly just takes a few minutes, very simple to do. But as you can see, once you've done that, your entire back seat is all cargo space. I've seen people load up all their camping gear in here, their chairs. I've even seen people actually put mats inside here. So if you have pets or dogs you want to take with you on your ride, now you got a great place for them to sit while you're out there having a good time. Also underneath this, you can see you still have all your foot space, so you can even get gear underneath that as well. But if you have a Polaris 4-seat General and you're looking to get more storage capacity, this is the best way to do that. The last thing I do want to point out is that these are side specific, so just be careful when you're picking yours up because there's going to be a passenger and a driver side rack. So just be sure you're getting the correct side, or if you're getting both sides, just make sure you get passenger and driver side. But if you do have more questions, we want to get those answered, so make sure to leave those below. And to pick these up, you can click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. And also while you're there, check out the Rider Cargo Cooler Mount that we also sell, sold separately, but you can actually use that. It attaches to your rack to help you mount up a cooler. I'm Chase here at Rocky Mountain. We'll see you on the trails.